Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start chapter 6, Physical and Chemical Change. Okay, learning objective of these chapters are when we studied it, then we will able to understand in the end of this chapter what are physical changes, characteristics of physical changes, what are chemical changes, characteristics of chemical changes, how iron particles can be prevented from rusting, what is crystallization. These are the learning objective we understand in the end of the chapter. Okay, so we'll start this chapter now. Hope you will concentrate, watch this video nicely, and along with the video read your chapter also. It is more helpful for you. Okay, so now the changes which take place around us may involve changes in shape, size, position, color, temperature, structure, composition, and state. Okay, when we found the changes in around us, so in these characters or in these phenomena we can see the changes. Okay, these changes involve one or more substance stretching or cooking food, settling of curd, dissolving sugar in water are few of the changes. In our daily life we can see, okay, one or more substance every day, or we can see the changes in this. So these changes are broadly divided into two types. ये वाले जो चेंजेस होते हैं इनको हम दो तरह से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, फिजिकल चेंजेस एंड केमिकल चेंजेस. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टडी अबाउट physical changes. What are the physical changes? A change in which the physical properties of a substance changes and no new substances are formed is called a physical change. In this change no new substance will form. Okay, only the change will come in the properties of the substance. जो सब्सटेंस के जो गुण हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, उनमें सिर्फ चेंज हो जाएगा, पर कोई नया सब्सटेंस नहीं बनेगा. व्हेन आइस मेल्ट्स इट चेंज टू वाटर. ओके, दिस चेंज फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड स्टेट, बट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोथ आर सेम. ओके, the water can be converted to ice by freezing it. Again we can convert it into the solid form. This is a change from liquid to solid state. Similarly, the change of water into water vapor on boiling, the condensing of the water vapor back to water on cooling are changes of state. So similarly, like solid to liquid, and again on freezing, liquid to solid. Similarly, when we boil the water, it will condense, and again that steam converted into liquid form, water. So but the properties of both boiling water and that steam, that is same in liquid state and solid state, that is ice. The properties of the substance are same, only the physical state, only the changes of this matter. So no new substances are formed. So if we cut a piece of paper into smaller pieces or crush a piece of chalk, what will happen? We observe that the shape and size of the paper or chalk changes. Only shape and size will be the changes in these two matter. The small bites of paper can be laid out in the shape of the original shape. जो छोटा पीस होगा पेपर का, वही सेम प्रॉपर्टीज बड़े पीस की होगी, बट देयर इज नो न्यू सब्सटेंस. अंडरस्टैंड? सो however, they cannot be joined. The chalk dust can be wet with water, rolled into shape and dried. When we get back the chalk piece, दोबारा से हम chalk piece को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. We can get after wet it with the water and then make it. Okay, So in next, a piece of iron metal held by a pair of tongues becomes red hot and start to glow when heated strongly. अगर हम किसी भी आयरन पीस को पकड़ के किसी आयरन टोंग से उसको गर्म करेंगे तो वो रेड कलर का होके चमकने लगता है. और ज़्यादा गर्म करें, स्ट्रांगली विल हीट इट, देन इट विल शाइन. ओके, स्ट्रांगली ग्लो, इट विल ग्लो इन रेड कलर. इट इज़ रिमूव फ्रॉम फ्लेम, और जब हम उसको फ्लेम से हटाते हैं, इट वंस अगेन कम्स बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. ये अपने आप से फिर अपनी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ जाता है. इन दिस केस द कलर ऑफ द मेटल चेंजेस ऑन हीटिंग. इस केस में हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो मेटल का कलर है वो गर्म करने पर चेंज हो गया है. ऑल द अबव चेंजेस आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंजेस इन विच शेप, साइज, कलर, स्टेट और पोजीशन ऑफ द सब्सटेंस आर चेंजेस. ओके, सारे फिजिकल एग्जाम्पल थे. ऑल वर द फिजिकल एग्जाम्पल, एंड in this example only physical properties will change. Okay, now these properties are known as the physical properties of the substance. यही property substance की physical property कहलाती है. Understand? Now the change may be reversible or irreversible. कई बार ये change reverse हो जाता है और कई बार इरिवर्सिबल रहते हैं, ये चेंज नहीं होते. मतलब जो हमारा जो मदर सब्सटेंस था वो वापस नहीं आ पाएगा आफ्टर द चेंजिंग. सो सम अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंजेस आर ग्लोइंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, व्हेन यू ब्लो इट इन योर होम, स्विच इट ऑन, देन इट विल ग्लो. ओके, मैग्नेटाइजेशन ऑफ एन आयरन पीस. एक आयरन के पीस को हम मैग्नेटाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हेन वी ब्रिंग इट इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ मैग्नेट, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली मैग्नेटाइज. ओके, एंड dissolution of salt or sugar in water and expansion and contraction of metal. When we make solution of sugar or salt water, it can also reversible dissolution and contraction or expansion. Expansion फैलना, contraction सिकुड़ना, किसी भी मेटल का फैलना या सिकुड़ना, that are the example of physical changes. Understand? Now we will study about the characteristics of physical changes. क्या characteristics है जो हमें पता चलता है कि ये physical change ही है. First of all, number 1, the physical properties of the substance changes during a physical change. जितनी भी physical properties होती है, size, shape, okay, color, it will change during only physical changes. Understand? Now second number, no new substance are formed and the nature of the substance remain the same during the changes. changes में कोई नया substance नहीं बनेगा, no new substance were formed and the remain substance will be, the new substance will be remain same. वैसा ही होगा जो पहले हमारे पास था. Number 3, it is a temporary change and generally reversible. Through a few of changes may be irreversible. इसमें ये जो चेंजेस होता है ये टेम्परेरी चेंज होता है. ओके, और बहुत कम ऐसे चेंज हैं फिजिकल चेंज में जो इरिवर्सिबल है, अदरवाइज सारे रिवर्सिबल चेंजेज हैं, मतलब दोबारा अपनी पोजीशन में आ जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नंबर 4, ओनली अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज़ ऑब्जर्व और गिवन ऑफ ड्यूरिंग दिस चेंज. इस चेंज में बहुत ही कम हीट या तो ऑब्जर्व होती है या फिर बाहर निकलती है. ओके, ओनली अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज ऑब्जर्व और गिवन ऑफ ड्यूरिंग द चेंज. सो दिस इज द फिजिकल चेंजेस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड फिजिकल चेंजेस. नाउ विल स्टार्ट chemical changes. Okay, so half of the part we will complete today from chemical changes. Okay, meanwhile this check your knowledge 1, you have to do it by yourself as I am explaining the chapter, so you have to search the answer of this. Okay, so now we'll start chemical changes. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called chemical changes. When you find a change and in that change to one or more, okay, more than one new substances are formed, that is called chemical changes. The composition and the chemical properties of the substance get changed. इसमें क्या होता है, जो कंपोजिशन होता है, जिन चीज़ों से मिलकर वो सब्सटेंस बना है वो, और उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बोथ विल गेट चेंज. अंडरस्टैंड? कंपोजिशन and the chemical properties of the substances get changed. The new substances formed, and in the end new substances will form to the original have entirely different properties compared to the original substance, or whatever new substance you will found, its properties will completely different from the फर्स्ट वन और फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस. अंडरस्टैंड? जो पहला सब्सटेंस आपके पास था उससे नया सब्सटेंस केमिकल चेंज में बनने के बाद सारी प्रॉपर्टीज टोटली चेंज हो जाएंगी. अंडरस्टैंड? अ केमिकल चेंज इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. इस केमिकल चेंज को हम केमिकल रिएक्शन भी कहते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ अ केमिकल चेंज occurring in nature is the rusting of iron. आपने देखा होगा, this is most common example, rusting of iron, जंक लग जाना लोहे की चीज़ों में, right? In this picture you can see how it will occur when an iron article is exposed to air and moisture. जब भी कोई आयरन का आर्टिकल बाहर हवा में या फिर जहाँ मॉइस्चर हो हवा के साथ वहाँ पर रखा जाएगा, इट गेट्स कवर्ड विद अ ब्राउन फ्लैकी सब्सटेंस. एक ब्राउन कलर का छिलके छिलके से वाला डस्टिंग सा कुछ उसके ऊपर जम जाएगा, जिसको हम रस्ट कहते हैं. दिस सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड रस्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? द कंपोजिशन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रस्ट आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दोज ऑफ आयरन. द कंपोजिशन and the properties of rust is different from the iron, like I read in the definition. Okay, the new substance is formed that is totally different from the original one. Understand? So the composition and properties of rust are different from those of iron. Okay, the change cannot be reversed under any condition. किसी भी condition में we cannot change this. Okay, this change cannot be reversed. That rust cannot be changed into iron. Understand? So the change cannot be reversed under any condition. Some of the common iron articles which get rusted are gates, benches, gardening equipments, pipes, bodies of vehicle, ships and other articles left out in the open. जो भी हम whatever the thing made by the iron, made from the iron, if we keep it in the air and moisture, then they definitely rust. Understand? Now one more example we will take, burning of a candle. Okay, is also a chemical change. Okay, burning of candle is a chemical change. How? The wax burned to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, when wax burn, it will produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. The wick burns or produce ash, और जो उसमें धागा होता है wick, that is burned and produce ash, वो राख बन जाता है. The new substance produced are entirely different in composition and properties from wax. और जो नया substance बनता है वो बिल्कुल completely different होता है, that is completely different from the original one, from the wax and thread. जो thread होता है wick उससे different होता है. Heat and light energize are given out during the change. हमें we can get heat and light after burning the candle. Okay, that is the result of this change. and the change cannot be reversed. This change will not reverse. Similarly, explosion of fireworks is a chemical change in which heat, light and sound are produced in addition to the unpleasant gases which pollute the atmosphere. Okay. Similarly, fireworks, patake, when you burn it, then we will get light, sound, okay, and heat, and it will pollute the atmosphere also. Understand? So this is also a chemical change. Understand, class? Now, in fact, all type of burning are chemical changes. जितने भी burning material है या फिर जो भी हम इस तरह के reaction करते हैं, that all are chemical changes. Heat is produced during burning. Okay. Now, the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis की process you have studied in chapter 1, nutrition in plant. Yes, or in your earlier classes also you studied about the photosynthesis. So during which the plant manufacture food with the help of carbon dioxide and water is another chemical change. Okay, that is also chemical change, because the plant make food by carbon dioxide, water and in the presence of sunlight. Okay, the product formed is simple sugar, which is different from both carbon dioxide and water. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर से टोटली डिफरेंट होता है जो फूड दे मेक बाय कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. उसके कंपोजिशन, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज उस फूड से मिलती नहीं. दैट इज सिंपल शुगर. ओके. सो एनर्जी इज रिलीज इन दिस प्रोसेस. दिस चेंज इज ऑल्सो irreversible. Understand? So this is also, photosynthesis is a irreversible changes. Now, digestion of food. In this process, in the stomach involves a number of chemical changes. Okay, when we eat food, so many chemical changes will be happen there in the stomach. The food breaks down into simpler substance and it is not possible to get back. Okay, ये जो food होता है ये छोटे छोटे simple sugar में टूट जाता है, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है एंड इट इज़ नॉट गेट बैक द ओरिजिनल फूड. जो हम खाते हैं सेम वैसा नहीं रहता. इट विल नॉट कन्वर्ट, इट विल नॉट रिवर्स इन सेम दाल, चावल, सब्जी, चपाती, वट एवर वी ईट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो द न्यू सब्सटेंस हैव डिफरेंट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड डिफरेंट कंपोजिशन कंपेयर टू द फूड. और what that substance made after this reaction, this change, that is totally different from the original food. All properties, everything is changed. Understand? I hope you are getting your attention on this topic. This is very important topic, physical and chemical change. Now, fermentation of food. Okay, this last topic I will take in this chapter. So other topic will clear in next chapter. So fermentation of food. What is this fermentation of food? Produce gases with a foul smell. जब खाना सड़ जाता है तो the very bad smell will come out from the food. Okay, this involves a chemical changes when new substance are produced. Okay, when chemical new substance are produced in this fermentation and that is called chemical changes. So also the fermented food becomes warm, that is energy is given out during the process. और वो थोड़ा गर्म भी रहता है क्योंकि when that chemical process will complete, that it produce heat. When fruit or vegetable are cut and left exposed to the moisture, the cut surface turned brown in color. Okay, have you seen when you cut the fruit or vegetable and keep it like this in the moisture or air, it will get brown. Okay, this is due to the formation of a new substance, क्योंकि वहाँ एक नया substance बन जाता है, for that it will convert into brown color. So This is also a chemical change. It is also called chemical change. Some other common examples of chemical changes are the curdling of milk, dahi jamna, respiration by living organism, जितने भी जीवित प्राणी हैं, when they breath, okay, they inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This process is also chemical change. Cooking food, ripening of fruits, germination of seeds and growing of plants and animals. Okay, in all the above chemical changes, one or more new substances are produced. We have seen in all the example of chemical change, new substance form. Okay, in every example. Okay, so a chemical changes is also accompanied by like formation of gas, changes of smell, absorption or evolution of heat and light energy, change of color, production of sound. So till here we'll complete the video. Next topic I will make you understand in my next video. So till that you watch it, try to learn it, means try to understand it, and along with it read your chapter. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye.